So to try to solve this problem, really, it's the printing of the string that I have difficulty with, or that you have difficulty with, and we need a better way of doing it. So what I'm going to do is actually have a function for it. Def quad format, and what I'm going to take in here are two values. The A value, because I need to know what the A is, whether it's a whole number or nothing at all. Well, can't be 0, that's for sure. And the roots of the equation. So what I'm going to do and try to work out this the way to write this out. So instead of having sort of A there, I'm going to have the sign. So I'm going to type A sign, because sign might be a keyword. And really, if A is positive, so 2, then the sign is going to be nothing at all. If A is negative, then I want it to be a negative sign at the front, which should be pretty much straightforward. The roots, I'm going to do something similar. I'm going to check them out for the sign, and x1 sign and x2 sign. It is going to give me the actual positive, the plus or the minus for it all. Now the A sign I'm going to use, because what I don't want to happen is, if the value of of A is 1, I don't want to put the 1 in front. I want to drop the 1 off and just have a minus or absolutely nothing at all for the 1. So that's the purpose of having that. And the purpose of having these two is so that I can place them in the string in the correct order. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have a print in the format, and I'm going to have a sign to begin it. So whoops, that will be my curly braces with a 0, and the first thing in that would be a sign. Then because that's either going to be nothing at all, an empty string, or a minus sign, or the actual value of A, being -2 or +2. Then I'm going to have some round brackets for my X. I have my X in there, and then I'm going to have in here the sign for X1. So that's going to be 1. And then I'm going to have the value of X itself, the value that's accompanying it as well. So there's 2 bits there. There's going to be the X1 sign and the X1 value. And I'm going to do the same with the second set of brackets. I'm going to have my X, then I'm going to have the sign that goes with it, and then I'm going to have the value. So I will have X2 sign and X2 value. And that should give me a correctly formatted string at the end of the day. All I need to do is work out these values from here. So we'll take a look at that in the next video.